Welcome to a short series of videos about the 1991 American Junior High Mathematics exam. Here we're going to take a look at problem number 4. If 991 plus 993 plus 995 plus 997 plus 999 equals 5,000 minus n, then n equals 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Well, that's interesting. The choices are very straightforward here. And so, hopefully there's a really easy way to do this problem. But first I want to do it the brutally difficult way, the most difficult way you could do this problem, just to show how much easier the easy way is. So the most difficult way to do this problem is just add all these numbers up and see what you get. So we have to do 991 plus 993 plus 995 plus 997 plus 999. Well, what do we get? Well, let's do the 900s first. 900 plus 900 plus 900 plus 900 plus 900 is 900 times 5, which is 4,500. 90s, 90 plus 90 plus 90 plus 90 plus 90 is 450. And now we just do 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9. Well, that's 4 plus 5 is 9, plus 7 is 16, plus 9 is 25. So now this is easy to add up, 4,975. So we get 4,975 equals 5,000 minus n. And all this is saying is 4,975 equals 5,000 minus some number. Well, so what is that number? Well, we can see that 5,000 minus 25 is 4,975. Or if you want to do the algebra, we just add the n's. Do a plus n to this side, plus n to this side. Oops, sorry about that. Looks like a W. 4,975 plus n equals 5,000. And now we subtract 4,975 from both sides. And we get n equals 25. So we're happy about that. And then that, fortunately, is a choice. But again, this is just sort of brute force. Plugging through the problem, probably doing a lot more work than we need to do. So let's see if there's a simpler way to approach this problem. Because nobody likes adding up a bunch of numbers. So one thing to notice is all of these numbers are pretty close to 1,000. So maybe we can rewrite this. We can write 991 as 1,000 minus 9. And we can write 993 as 1,000 minus 7, and write, sorry about that, 993 as 1,000 minus 7, 995 as 1,000 minus 5, 997 as 1,000 minus 3, and 999 as 1,000 minus 1. Now when we want to add these all up, 991 plus 993 plus 995 plus 997 plus 999, what we get is 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000 minus 9 minus 9 minus 7 minus 5 minus 3 minus 1, or minus 9 plus 7 plus 5 plus 3 plus 1. Okay, now adding up became very easy. In fact, we get this is 5,000 minus 9 plus 7 is 16, plus 5 is 21, plus 3 is 24, plus 1 is 25. So when we add them up this way, we actually get 5,000 minus some number, which is exactly what we wanted here. That's a nice little coincidence. That's obviously not always going to happen, but here it did. Nice coincidence. 5,000 minus 25, so we see that n is 25. And again, we're happy. So what this shows you is if you're tempted to just sort of plow through the numbers and just add them up by brute force, that's probably not going to be the best way to do it. Obviously, that is a way to do it, and it'll get you to the right answer. But if you stop for a second and think, how could I make my life a little easier here? A lot of times, especially on these math contests, a lot of times that extra little bit of thinking is going to save you a lot of time and effort. Okay, great. On to the next one.